Let's look at this smart doorbell from Kasa. This doorbell comes well packaged with everything you need to install and use it. This doorbell has a high resolution camera, both local and cloud storage, live view with two-way talking, and it has IP64 certified weatherproofing. Enough talk, let's get started. Before I do anything, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the power from my breaker. And I'm going to double check there's no power with my voltage tester. Now this is a wired doorbell, which means there's no batteries. Its power comes from the two wires of the old doorbell. Most old doorbells use a transformer. This is usually located behind the chimer. Basically, this transformer takes the 110 volt and transforms it into something smaller. The Kasa doorbell requires between 16 to 24 volts to work. You need to make sure your transformer is outputting between 16 to 24 volts. If not, you can buy a new transformer online. My transformer, for example, outputs 20 volts, which is perfect. That 20 volts is being sent out to the doorbell through the skinny red and green wires. I've removed everything else related to my old doorbell. So let's continue. I'm going to remove my old doorbell from the wall. I simply pry it out. And here are those two wires you've seen previously. The Kasa doorbell comes with two mounting options. You could either mount it straight forward or at an angle. Since my doorbell is against the wall, I'm going to use the angle bracket, just like this. Alright, let's drill some holes. Then I'll go ahead and insert the plastic anchors. With a little more preparation, I am ready to mount the brackets. I simply screw the bracket into the wall. What remains is screwing the two previous wires into the Kasa doorbell and simply attaching it to the bracket. Here's what it sounds like from outside. And here's what the included chimer sounds like. Of course, there's multiple sound options in the app. The camera looks great on my phone, and I instantly see who's there when the bell rings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.